Yo, my guy. Yo, my guy, you okay? Excuse me, mister. You alright? Yo, my dog. You alright, G? I got something for you, man. Yo, my G. Yo, my G. Sorry, bro. I just make sure you are alright. You okay? Take one of these, bro. Got it right now, bro. Got it right now. My bad. I'm gonna be back around. You gonna be around this way? Let's see if I get some bread for you, alright? Sorry about that. Miss, you okay? Here, eat a popsicle. God bless you. Bring you back to life, you know? You guys okay? You alright, my guy? You good, Brody? Mm-hmm. Alright, I was just checking on you. My boy's still knocked out. Yo, guy. Yo, my guy. Oh, you must have meant to do this. You got the blanket down. You see. Can you see me?
What?
Yo, Uzi, somebody calling you. The girl across the street calling you. You okay, miss? Just checking on you, good? miss, are you alright? Alright, just checking in. Yo, my guy, you alright? You okay, bro? You need the ambulance or something? You need Narcan? Oh, you got Narcan. Need the ambulance, bro? Yeah. Get some Narcan. You okay, man?
What?
You said that cut him off his drugs.
Give me 30 seconds.
Sorry, you okay, miss? Excuse me.
You need Narcan?
Yeah, you got one? Wake him up though. Make sure you're alright. You alright, my G?
You breathing?
You breathing? Yeah, I see you. What you say, man?
Yeah, there's dirty water. He has water right there.
Is he okay?
Mm-hmm.
He over here sweating.
Yeah, he's very good. He's good.
You gonna be good? Oh, all right, just making sure you was good, Brody. See you sweating. I'm gonna get you a water. Bring you back a water, bro. You need one. Get you some water. Are they okay?
Yes, they're alright. They didn't fall over. Very evil, man.
Why they bent up like that?
I don't do that shit. I don't do that.
You don't do the train?
Fuck no.
What do you use out here?
Too early.
You do ice? It don't make you like that?
Fuck no, I made me up.
Are these your friends? Your man?
I'm still standing here. So I'm not gonna just leave him out there like this.
Right.
Get back to the point.
You be safe, brother, all right? Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Excuse me, man. She's going to get ran over by this car. You got to move. Bro.